this power supply, then you can see that power will shifted. Okay, this is done by the relay, and relay is getting signal from this 5-volt power supply, and this 5-volt power supply is coming from the output of this transformer, and output of this transformer is coming because of the phase given over here. So this phase you can cut. Friends, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Circuits Bazaar. So today we are going to discuss the project automatic phase changer. So like those houses or those industries which have 3-phase power supply but they use only single phase, so whenever the power is absent in one phase, then they need to rotate the rotary switch. But this project is going to solve that problem because we are going to make that operation automatic without any human intervention. So this is the single phase line. So we using these. So first of all, let's see how this project is working, the theory of the project. So let's see first circuit diagram of the project. So this is the circuit diagram. I'll attach this circuit diagram in the description. You can download from there. So there are 3 phases: red, yellow and blue, and there is a common which is neutral. So this neutral is like this. Okay, now all these 3 phases will go to the relay. So these are the 3 relay: first relay, second relay and third relay. So they are using IC over here, but instead of IC we are using transistor BC547, which is acting as Darlington pair. So this is the relays. So these are the 3 relay. I'll attach the circuit diagram of relay as well in the description. You can download the circuit diagram from there. So these are the 3 relay, and we are using 2 transistor to drive the relay. Like there are 3 relays, so total 6 transistors we are using. Now if I talk about a transformer, so these are the 3 transformer which will convert 230 volt into 12 volt, so that you can convert that into 5 volt, and that 5 volt will drive the relay. So first 230 volt by the transformer is converted into 12 volt AC, then that 12 volt AC is given to these rectifier, which is bridge rectifier, then that 12 volt DC is converted into 5 volt DC using this 7805 voltage regulator. So there are parallel 3 circuit, like this circuit is equal to this circuit and is similar to this circuit. So all these 3 circuits are same. The generated 5 volt is given to the base of these transistors, which are Darlington pair, which again drive the relay module. Then this relay module is driving this bulb and this second load. You can place third load as well at third relay. So you will see in the working, doesn't matter which phase is absent or present, the relay power supply, the output will not go away. If all the power supply, if all the phases are not on or they are not present, only then power supply will be off. So these are the 3 dactyl switch which we will use to convert single phase into 3 phase, because we are using single phase wire over here, and then that single phase is converted into 3 phase using these dactyl switches. So now let's see the circuit diagram or the PCB. So this is relay circuit diagram. So these 3 relay are similar. So let's see single diagram. Okay. So this is BC547 transistor first and second. So these 2 transistors are used in the Darlington pair, and which is driving this relay. So there is a diode to bypass the back EMF, then there is the LED which will on and off whenever the relay will be on and off. So like this circuit diagram, this other circuit diagram is also similar, like this one and this one. If I talk about PCB is like this: 3 relay, then these are the LED indicators, diodes, and these are the Darlington pair to drive the relay. So let's see the circuit diagram of that power supply, which is converting 12 volt AC into 5 volt DC. This is the power supply of the bigger board. Which bigger board? This one. Like this board, power supply. Basically these are the 3 power supplies. So the PCB design is this one. And if I talk about circuit diagram, then all 3 have similar circuit diagram. You can see these 4 diode acting as a bridge rectifier, then these 2 circuit acting as a pipe filter, then 7805 which will convert 12 volt DC into 5 volt DC, then this is power LED indicator. Simple. 3 similar power supply, and this is the PCB design. I have designed PCB in Eagle software. So this circuit diagram has no microcontroller. There is another version as well of this automatic three-phase changer which have microcontroller programming. So you can search in the search bar Circuits Bazaar automatic three-phase changer. So you will see the video where we have used 8051 microcontroller as well. So now let's see the working of the project.
Which we have converted this line into three phase so that we can show the working, because whenever you are going to represent this project, you most of the times have single phase. So single phase is divided into three phase: phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Then that three phase is given to the switcher as well. So first of all, I am going to show you these are the three transformer. Each transformer is getting its phase. Neutral is common, and 1, 2, 3 phase is given to transformer 1, transformer 2 and transformer 3. So this is first three phase, and this is first phase, and this is second phase. Okay, so these are the wiring of first, second and third phase, right? These are the wiring of first, second and third phase. This is first phase, this is second phase, this is third phase. Now this 230 volt AC, because phase is of 230 volt, is converted into low voltage using these step down transformers. So these are 12012 a step down transformer. So this is phase 1 converted, this is phase 2 converted into 12 volt, this is phase 3 converted into 12 volt, like this one. Okay, now this is also AC. Still this is also AC 230 volt. AC is converted into 12 volt AC. So because we need to use the relays is working at low volt, like 12 volt, and from this circuit we are generating low voltage. So if I talk about this one, this 12 volt AC is converted into 12 volt DC using this BJT rectifier. Then further, this is the indicator, like you have successfully converted 12 volt AC into 12 volt DC. But as you know that the output of 12 volt output of rectifier is not pure DC, it have ripples as well as fluctuations. So for that we have used these filter circuits. So these two capacitor acting as a filter over here, and this is 7805 voltage regulator which will convert 12 volt DC into 5 volt DC. So this is according to the phase 1, this is according to the phase 2, this is according to the phase 3. So all the power supply is same. We have 3 rectifier, 1, 2, 3, 3 voltage regulator, 1, 2, 3 and 3 filter circuit, and similarly 3 output. Whenever the voltage 12 volt will be present, then 1 will be come out of this circuit, and if voltage is not present over here, then 0 will come out of this circuit. Then we fed these 3 signals. So this is the connector. These 3 signal is fed to the relay board. So these are the 3 relay which will switch the power supply. So each relay have its phase, like this is 1 phase, this is 2 phase, this is 3rd phase, and this is the ground neutral wire. Okay, so these 3 phases given to the relay, that is shown in the circuit diagram, which is I am going to attach in the description. So you can download that circuit diagram and see how relays connection are made, because I cannot tell you in this video because complexity is too high. So you can track that thing in the circuit diagram, because I have used 3 color, red, green, yellow, to show the phase and neutral, right? So connection is very simple in the circuit diagram. So for the load I have used 2 things over here. This is the bulb and this is the load 2. You can attach anything of 230 volt over here. That thing will be on till there is power supply any of the 3 phase. Okay, if the power supply will be all in all the phases, then this load will be on. If power supply will be in 2 phases, even then load will be on. If the power supply will be any of the 1 phases, even then load will be on. The load will be off only when there is no phase present at the back end. So now I am going to show you the live working of this project. So for that I am going to provide the power supply. Okay, this is 230 volt AC which is converted into 3 phase through this ductile switch arrangement. And before that I am going to tell you this adapter working as well. Like this is 9 volt or 12 volt adapter you can also use. Okay, so you have to provide this power supply over here which will power up the relay. So this is the power supply of this relay. Red wire is positive, black is negative. So you cannot insert in opposite direction, you have to insert in the proper direction. Red is positive, black is negative, right? Now power supply is given to the relay. Now as soon as I will give, this is the power to this unit. Okay, now you can see that load is on. Why? Because phase 1 is present. So this is the phase 1 and this is the phase 2. Okay, this is also present, and this is the phase 3. This is phase 3 present. Now if I'll off this second phase, like if second phase is absent, then this relay is also absent. This LED on means relay is absent, right? If I'll absent this phase as well, then that phase is also absent. This tuck tuck sound is of the relay because they are shifting, right? If you will on, then this LED is off, it means relay is active now, right? Whenever the signal will be red, then relay is off. Okay, if you will off this power supply, then you can see that power will shifted. Okay, this is done by the relay, and relay is getting signal from this 5-volt power supply, and this 5-volt power supply is coming from the output of this transformer, and output of this transformer is coming because of the phase given over here. So this phase you can cut from here as well, right? Now if I'll off this one as well, it will shift to the next one. If I'll absent phase 3, then it will shift to the second phase. If I'll present phase 1 and if I'll absent phase 2, then it will be shifted to the phase this is phase 1. Now phase 1 is present, and like phase 3 is also present, I'm going to off the phase 1. It will shift to the phase 3, right? If I'll on the phase 2 and if I'll off the phase 3, then you can see power will be shifted to the phase 2. So this is automatic operations. This is you are changing over here in manual mode, but in the actual way, in the actual model, the 230 volt over here, this is single phase. We have made it in 3 phase, but in the actual model there is no need to use these ductile switches because there will be 3 phase power supply that will be automatically on and off, right? So this is all about this circuit, and let me tell you about these relay as well. They are making on and off the output of this 3 phase changer, and relay is working on 12 volt, and that 12 volt is not over here. This is 5 volt, so that's why we have used these 2 transistors, which is acting as a Darlington pair over here. These Darlington pair will make this 5 volt up to the level which can drive the relay, right? And this is the external power supply to the relay, because relay power supply must be on all the time, right? Now you can use a battery as well, and these are the diode is using as a back EMF bypasser. Whenever there is any whenever relay get on and off, then it generate back EMF. That back EMF need to be bypassed. That's why we have used these diode over here to bypass the back EMF generated by the relay. So this is all about this project. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and if you like the video, you can subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.